Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to discuss how you can split large file into many number of files and view its content. You can see that in my screen I have a very large file which is actually of 15 GB of the size. Now if you try to open this file into any out of the box editor which is available in Windows like Notepad, Notepad++, or any Visual Studio editor, Word editor, or any editor, then this will not open and your computer will hang because these editors are not able to handle this size. Or like you can see that this file is of 15 GB of the size. So if you open this file into window editor, this will not open. So now to open this file, there is a way. What you can do is you can split this file into many small files and then view its content. So now in this video I am going to tell you how you can do this. For this, what you need is a small tool which is actually Git Bash, which is a utility available with Git for Windows. So for this, what you have to do is you have to go to Git for Windows, which is actually Git SCM download. You can see that this website is now open in my screen. From here you have to download this utility, and when you install this utility, do remember that you have to select Git Bash as a option. So when you install this utility completely, what you will get, you will see that in context menu where your file is available, you will see few options, and one of the option is Git Bash here. So when you click this option in context menu, a utility will open into command prompt or another command prompt which is available with the this Git Bash Git for Windows utility. So when I click this Git Bash here, so this will set this directory as the output directory also, or home directory for this operations. So now in this utility, what you have to do is you have to write split and your file name, which is, for me it is main file dot txt, and you have to tell hyphen l, which is for number of lines you want to split each file into. So now what I do is I want 1 lakh file, 1 lakh lines into one file, because my main file is very large. It has millions of lines. So I give it here 1 lakh, which is 100K for some reasons. So I give this as an option and will press enter. You can see that my directory has only one single large file and another info folder which is of no use right now. So when I press the enter, you will see that many other small file will start appearing here. So I am now pressing it, and my utility Git Bash has started working, and now you can see that it is now working to create small files from this main large big file, and each file has 1 lakh or 100K number of lines into this single chunk. So now what I can do is I can rename it into text.txt. Now I am doing renaming operation of one of the small file, and this file has turned into notepad text extension. And if I click again on this file, and now I can open this into any editor, you can see that preview pane is showing me text which is into this file. So now friends, this is a one way to split a very large file into small files and you can process that content, because processing a very large file requires too many resources and sometimes